I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing both devices so pairing works reliably. Turn on the GPS unit and your phone and charge them to avoid shutdowns during setup. Once done, enable Bluetooth and location services on the phone and switch location mode to high accuracy. This lets the phone use GPS data effectively. Make sure you have the companion app installed if the manufacturer requires it. Otherwise, confirm the GPS supports the Bluetooth GPS profile, so the phone can receive raw coordinates. Now you'll pair and configure the connection so the phone accepts GPS input. Put the GPS unit into pairing mode. The manual usually shows a long press or menu option. On your phone, scan Bluetooth devices, select the GPS name, and confirm the PIN when prompted so secure pairing completes. After pairing, open the companion app or your phone's location settings and choose the external GPS as the data source, which ensures apps use the more accurate hardware fix rather than only internal sensors. Finish by verifying the phone receives valid coordinates and preparing a quick fix for common failures. Open the GPS or mapping app and look for a location fix. You may need to move outdoors and wait a few minutes for satellites to lock. If nothing appears, toggle Bluetooth off and on, restart both devices, and repair to clear transient errors. If problems persist, update firmware or app software, and inspect advanced settings like NME sentence type or TCP/UDP port to ensure the phone interprets incoming GPS data correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.